Energy is the capacity to perform work. It is fundamental to physics. Energy and work are closely related. They can convert into each other. Energy comes in many forms. There is mechanical energy, which includes kinetic and potential energy. Chemical energy is stored in bonds. Muscular energy powers our movements. Electrical and magnetic energies are crucial in technology. Heat, light, and sound are also forms of energy. Energy can transform from one form to another. For example, in a roller coaster, potential energy at the top converts to kinetic energy as it descends. This kinetic energy helps the coaster climb again. This shows energy's versatility and constant transformation. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only changes form or transfers between objects. This principle is evident in many natural and man-made processes. Energy's conservation ensures its continuous presence and transformation.